welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dani and this is Coffee Break with Dani. Today I want to say a special thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. You guys know that FabFitFun and I have been like this for over 3 years now, and today we are here with my Spring 2021 box. I don't know about you, but this box better be amazing after the several months over a year that we've all had. I'm looking forward to this box, or rather sharing it with you guys, because FabFitFun has implemented their new FabFitFun standard where they are slowly starting to eliminate certain toxic chemicals from all of the products included in their box, but they are starting off with 12. So I'm super excited to share that news with you guys. If you're unfamiliar, FabFitFun is a seasonal box. That means you only get it 4 times a year, but it includes all full-size products, anywhere from beauty, fitness, lifestyle. I'm actually quite excited about the products that I picked in this box. It's a little random, but you guys know how I roll around here. It's never just normal. So today I'm going to share with you guys my Spring 2021 box. Now keep in mind that some products are curated by the amazing FabFitFun team, and others you are in complete control over, so you can choose or customize the products to fit your particular lifestyle. Like, listen, I don't want a jump rope because I know I'm not going to use it. Do you know the last time I saw the gym? Probably 2018. I don't remember, honestly, but I am very excited about what's in the box today. It's been a while since I made my selection, so a couple of the items I was like, oh, that's right. So without further ado, let's get into my FabFitFun box. All right, I know y'all are waiting on bated breath to see what's in my box, but my box is empty. I already opened it. I already used some of the stuff. I'm gonna show you how I plan to use other stuff. And if you guys are on the fence to try FabFitFun, now's your chance, because the code CoffeeBreak will get you $10 off your very first box. Remember, it's not an affiliate code, so I'm not making commission. It is, in fact, though, going to save you some coin. So this box, 100% recyclable. I don't know what they were saying, like the statistics, like they're saving over 30,000 trees just by switching over to this kind of box, which also helps me in hoarding stuff in my house, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. All right, let's talk about this. I showed this in a sneak peek picture that I posted on my Instagram. You guys, I have a problem with fuzzy slippers, like I do. I have a problem with fuzzy slippers, so when I knew that I could select a pair of delicious fuzzy slippers, I was like, why are you even asking me this question, FabFitFun? Do you even know me? Do you know my heart? We've been together for over 3 years and you don't know that I would choose this automatically? So I'm really excited about those. The other thing that I'm really excited about, which I was kind of surprised because it made me realize that yes, I in fact am getting older, because I got excited about coasters. Let me show you guys how beautiful these coasters are. And the reason that I like them so much is because they have that natural look. And right now, like the direction that I'm heading in with my house is kind of like a natural cottage chic, but also some mixed metals and velvets is the look that I want to carry throughout the house. But I don't want to lean cool and I don't want to lean warm. I want to incorporate both. And I thought this coaster set did a very good job at including both cool and warm tones. Why am I thinking about that when I'm talking about coasters? But you guys, aren't these stunning? Now, I've purchased coasters before. I tried to get all cutesy and do photo coasters with my children, and all that ends up happening is they get sweaty. The glass gets sweaty, it sticks to the glass, you lift up your glass and boom, the coaster slams. So when you're looking for coasters, always find something that is like a natural material or maybe even a fabric, and those are gonna be the perfect kind of coasters for any kind of surface that you're trying to protect. So when these were under the FabFitFun box, I was like, again, do I really need to make that choice for you, FabFitFun? You know where my heart stands. All right, then we have the Humankind Skincare with a Conscience moisturizing hand scrub. Now this is quite interesting because you see hand creams all the time, and right now, you guys, we're under freeze warning. So if you hear weird sounds, it's because everyone's home, schools are closed. It's been really, really cold, and all the sanitizer use, all the hand washing, not to mention that it's winter time, our hands are suffering. So we are always on deck with the moisturizer or the hand cream, but did you know there was a hand scrub? I know I didn't, so I'm super eager to use this. Perfect solution to soften your hands, feet, and elbows without drying them out. It has shea butter, sunflower oil, red raspberry seed, elderberry extract. Great to exfoliate and moisturize all your dry, rough parts. I like that it calls it rough parts. So it's not necessarily a hand scrub. You could basically use this anywhere that you're feeling rough. I always find it hilarious when a scrub says it's gentle. Like, I'm like, you're a scrub. That's an oxymoron. How can you do both? And then I'm like, oh, it's the base that holds the abrasive ingredient. Oh, that smells yummy. I wish that was a lotion. Now I got scrub all over my hand. That smells really good. So it's just a scrub for, you know, any part of your body, which is kind of cool. I love that it comes in a squeeze tube. A lot of scrubs come in a tub, and I really despise sticking my fingers in tubs. You guys, you've heard me talk about that before. This product I was excited about, but I have trust issues. I've tried makeup rounds before, or makeup removing rounds before, and some of them aren't all that they claim to be. So this is the brand Say Hello. It is a 3-pack. It has one of my favorite colors on the trim. I love this dark lilac or periwinkle type color. It's such a pretty color. It always makes me happy. These are cotton rounds. They have the same fabric on both sides. They do have a sponge in the middle, and the reason or the idea behind these is to be able to remove your makeup without using so many makeup wipes. I've never used makeup wipes to remove my makeup. I use them here when I'm working to remove swatches and things, but it takes me over a year to get through 1 pack of makeup wipes. When I wash my face, I double cleanse. So I'll use a cleansing balm, and then I'll use a soapy cleanser. These are really cool because they are very gentle, but you have to remember to launder them after each use. I've used these before from another famous brand that you've probably heard all over Instagram and YouTube. Not makeup eraser, I'm talking makeup rounds. And I didn't like it. It wasn't my favorite. I thought it was a little abrasive. These feel significantly different in terms of the texture and the composition of the makeup rounds. So I'm really excited to use those. I'll update you guys in a weekend vlog on that. I don't know about you guys, but I like to invest money in makeup tools or beauty tools, but I very rarely actually follow up on like the perks or the benefits of them. For example, I love to use Tweezerman tweezers, and they have this policy where if you send them back in, they sharpen them for free. I've never done that before. I've never taken advantage of that service. I have though, however, repurchased tweezers over and over and over again once they get dull. So when I heard that Summer and Rose had a tweezer with pouch set as one of the FabFitFun items, I was like, yeah, maybe if I put it away in the pouch, I'll remember to not throw it around as much. You guys know how things like knives or scissors or blades, you have to really take care of them or the edge wears off. I mean, you look at it the wrong way and it gets dull. So I was excited about these because they are large slanted tweezers with a really cute pattern on them. And my Tweezerman are due for a sharpening that they're never gonna meet. So there's that. Then we have a random FabFitFun curated item. This makes me want to film a FabFitFun hit or miss. For me, this isn't something that I would select for myself. However, it isn't something that's going to go to waste because I have 2 teenage daughters that find stuff like this really cute. I also have 2 little boys that find stuff like this really cute. But I would definitely not waste one of my full-size items and sort of like party decor like this. So it's really cute, but definitely not something I would pick for myself. One thing that is quite odd that I in fact did pick for myself was this. I'm kind of disappointed that I can't use it right away because I don't have soil. soil laying around, by the way? Like, where do you buy soil? I have one plant in my house. She is older than, man, how old is she? I got her when I started teaching, and I started teaching when I was 21. She's 15 years old. It's one of those anthos. It's just like it's one of those most forgiving plants ever that never ever is gonna break up with you. And so I saw all these people turning into like plant people, and I was like, oh, that's cool. I could never, because I kill everything I love. So when I saw this, I was like, this is such a cool thing that I could do with my kids at home, and I could probably not mess up because we would be eating it. Herbs. You guys, you know I love to cook. Anytime that I'm cooking, I look for any reason to put herbs in my cooking. They are something that completely changes or elevates your dish, whether they are dried herbs or fresh herbs. They change the flavor profile of your dish. They elevate it completely, and it almost gives like a multi-level or layer effect in your dishes. And if you mimic the same herbs that you use in one part of your meal into another part, then you have an echo effect that occurs in your whole meal, where you're mirroring the flavor profile across the board. So it creates sort of like a sense of comfort in the meals that you're creating. I know you didn't want me to get that deep when it comes to cooking or an LED plant machine, but here we are. So welcome to the world of most random information. It actually came with a packet of large Italian basil, and we are going to play with it, me and the boys. Hopefully, I can figure out how to do it without killing it. The most satisfying part about this is that it's not outside. It's in your kitchen or in your study or wherever you decide to put it, which means you get to witness the growth, and you're gonna be obligated to use any sort of production that you actually have. And sharing the name of the item might actually help, right? So this is the Short Stories LED Indoor Planter. Y'all, should we put other herbs in there? I think it's too small and you overcrowd it, so maybe we'll just start off humble with just the basil, and then go from there, you know? And the last item I say for last because I kind of want to do a demo for you guys. This is the Lark and Ives hair scarf set. Wait for it. Are you waiting for it? Are you excited? Look at that. It's a cute little cloth, muslin, sort of linen type canvas bag. I've literally just mentioned like 7 types of fabric. And it comes with 2 hair scarves. The cool thing about this is if you are lacking inspiration over how to use a hair scarf, don't worry. It comes with a cheat sheet. Listen, I don't like to be told how to live my life, but I have very little creativity when it comes to stuff like this. So it's either going on my neck or it's going in my hair, but I still probably won't be able to do it the right way. So here we are, we're gonna do it together. My name is Dani, and I do not approve this message. You guys, do a good job or don't do it at all. It's what I tell all my kids. Do a good job or don't do it at all. Don't bother, because ain't nobody got time for that. You know what I mean? All right, so here we are. Take 2. Rolling it, we're rolling it. We're rolling it. I'm gonna tie it there. We're gonna go a little more taut. I was scared. I was trying to go gentle because I thought that it wasn't gonna work, but I think you have to be a little more aggressive with these hair scarves. There we go. See? That's why it's important to do a good job. How cute is that? Cute little hair scarf. I probably should have showed that item first, and then I could have done the entire unboxing with the cute hair scarf in my hair. This is the other color that it comes with. Isn't that stunning? It's like the most gorgeous champagne shade, and it literally goes with every outfit. Anyway, that is it for my FabFitFun. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys got your spring box already, let me know what your favorite item in your box was. And if you know how to keep herbs alive, or herbs, let me know in the comment section below. I love tips because y'all, I don't know how to keep any plants alive, so that would be really, really handy. And if you guys have been on the fence to check out FabFitFun, if you use the code CoffeeBreak, it will get you $10 off your very first box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend. Maybe your friend has amazing herb growing advice for me, and that would be very appreciated. I love you guys so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys.